In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Mozilla Thunderbird on Windows in 2026. Whether you're setting up Thunderbird for the first time or switching to a desktop email app, the process is pretty simple, so let's get started. First, download the Thunderbird installer from the official Mozilla website. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your browser's Downloads folder. The Windows Setup wizard will now appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. In most cases, the standard installation option is suitable for regular users, so you can continue with the recommended settings. Choose the installation location if you want to customize where Thunderbird will be installed. Otherwise, you can keep the default location and continue. Now allow the installer to copy the necessary files to your computer. The process may take a few moments, so wait until the installation is finished. Once Thunderbird is installed, open the application from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. You may then be asked to set up an email account. If you already have an email address, you can add it during the initial setup or configure it later from the account settings. And that's how to install Mozilla Thunderbird on Windows. The setup is quick, and once it's finished, you can start managing your email directly from your desktop. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.